I think I messed up. I started researching yawning and now I can't stop. So why do we yawn? One cool theory is that yawning helps cool down your brain, like an internal fan. Another idea is that it boosts oxygen intake and kicks out excess carbon dioxide. And get this, yawning is totally contagious. Seeing someone yawn can set off a domino effect, especially if you're empathetic. In fact, even thinking about yawning, it might make you yawn right now. Weird, right? It's like your brain's way of staying alert and oxygenated. So next time you feel a yawn coming on, let it out. Science has your back.